Today I want to show you the best Midjourney alternative that you'll get free credits to use, and you can use it forever so long as you don't deplete your credits. So let's go. So go to Google and search for Leonardo AI. This is a Midjourney alternative that is very, very good. It's some extent better than Midjourney. You can see Leonardo AI. You can create stunning designs from it. But look at some of the designs here. You can see some great stuff. But let's get into the app and see what it has to offer. So yes, I'm whitelisted. So you have to request for access so that they whitelist your email and you're able to access it. So let's go into Leonardo. I'll log in. So very quickly, I'll continue with my Google account. So ensure you create an account that is sign up, and then it will take a day and they'll whitelist your email and you'll be able to access it. So I can see they have added the XDL model, but let's just go in. I want to show you this AI image generation, but there are a few things that you can see here. There's a dream shaper, there's a 3D animation style, there's absolute reality. There's a lot of things that you can experiment with. There's a community feed, there's a personal feed, there's trainings and data sets, but I want to show you the AI image generator. So I want to limit this to 2 images. So on the left hand side, that is where you limit the number of images that you want. I'll want to use version 3, prompt magic strength. I'll leave it at start. Raw, high resolution, alchemy, that's okay. We can just leave these others as default, or you can drag an image here and use a prompt to change it up. But I want to generate image of African seated on his laptop. So there's other negative prompt, you can do that, but I don't want to do that. Let's see how long it takes. I'm using the Dreamscape V7, but there are a few other models that you can choose from there. So let's see, I have selected 2 so that we see how long it takes. 10 seconds, 11 seconds, 12 seconds. So, and here we have the images. Look at how realistic these images look. And the good thing is you just need to click on it and then you can either delete the image or download the image. So you can just click download, and you can see it has an Apple machine, some good sneakers there, good sense of style. The hair looks exactly like mine. So go and experiment with Leonardo AI and see if it's able to serve you, because Midjourney is no longer free. You have to pay for it, and the free trial is not working. So go and experiment with Leonardo AI.